Hurricane Erin is staying offshore, but Volusia County beaches and waters are feeling the effects. Rough surf, strong rip currents, and changing conditions mean beachgoers really need to stay alert. WESH 2's Volusia County reporter Pamela Combe joins us live now from Daytona Beach with more and a serious warning from lifeguards. Pamela.
Well, they're telling people to swim in front of those staff lifeguard towers. Just take a look at how strong these waves are. It could really just sweep people right off their feet. Another thing we've been noticing in the last 30 minutes to an hour is that these strong waves in combination with the higher than normal tides is pushing water all the way up to the seawall, which is why there's really only like 5-6 people left on the beach. Sunshine and blue skies, ideal for the beach, but the water might keep most people out. Surfers, on the other hand, are in their element.
We've got a westward blown breeze, so we're gonna have some pretty good waves.
Hurricane Erin may be far off, but as it tracks north, winds are making the waves stronger and tides higher than normal, meaning beach driving is limited and lifeguards have to get creative.
If we have a higher than normal tide and we can't get a truck to certain areas, we will patrol on a jet ski. It makes it a lot easier for water rescues. We do have a boat that we can deploy as well.
Those waves and higher tides are coming in fast, sweeping away umbrellas and belongings. The county is removing lifeguard towers and trash cans to protect them from damage. Conditions only expected to get worse.
Well, it looks like our surf's going to start picking up tonight into tomorrow, and then it will start dying back down around Thursday. Going into the weekend, though, we do expect to be flying that red flag for very hazardous rip current conditions.
In the meantime, some beachgoers are playing it safe, staying close to shore.
And the ocean's no joke, but that doesn't mean you can't have some fun.
And now that we're close to high tide for the most part, people have left, but there are some left just on the ramp, keeping a safe distance away from the water and just keeping an eye on those conditions out there. And the county as well will be keeping an eye on the water on these conditions. They do expect to keep that red flag flying this week. Covering Volusia County live in Daytona Beach, Pamela Combe, WESH 2 News.